Is Google Gemini free? Well, short answer is yes. There is the free version of Gemini as well, and there is also the paid version. The paid version is much more advanced. That is why the name itself says Gemini Advanced. It has the ability to generate images and give you answers to most complex questions and do complex tasks in a simultaneous manner. The free version obviously has some limitations, but it isn't really quite bad. The answers are quite accurate. Though it may not be as witty compared to GPT-4, it still does the job for a basic user. To begin chatting, you can simply enter a prompt right over here to go ahead and select it. You can see I'm on the free version. If you want Gemini Advanced, you can click on upgrade, which will give you much more features. Gemini free version actually also allows you to analyze a certain image. So you can click on this upload image button, and right here when I ask you to analyze a certain image, you can see it will give me a description of what the image is about. It doesn't, however, have the capability to generate images on the free version. Same goes for ChatGPT as well. So the short answer to your question is yes, Gemini is absolutely free to use. As a normal user, this wouldn't be a problem if you want to find answers to simple questions. However, if it doesn't give you the accuracy you require, you can always try Gemini Advanced. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.